Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Do you remember me, baby? Alright, so this evening we have another colorful, wonderful culinary surprise for you. Cushy, can you introduce the food, please? What is this?
Hi guys, welcome.
Wonderful.
So today we have I think it's traditional bake that we make back home. It's pretty much vegetables, potatoes, carrots, onions, and chicken smothered in mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and you bake it.
Are you trying to convince them or yourself? Because you said you think it's a traditional dish you make back home, or
Yeah, we make this dish. I think Central Asia.
I don't think you're convinced.
Yeah.
Okay.
And over here,
Samsa.
Samsa. So
Some of my favorite bread filled with chicken and beef
onion.
and onion.
Yeah, today it's chicken and onion, guys.
It tastes like chicken noodle soup inside of baked bread, which is tasty. The sesame on top of this one is unique to that.
Yeah.
But it's great with a hot drink.
And before we start, guys, today it's International Women's Day.
Happy Female Day. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Yes, I would like to wish all women who celebrate. I think every woman should celebrate.
Go girl.
Yeah.
Do the shoulder roll. Go girl.
One of my friends, Ilona, said,
Go girl.
Alexa, turn on Beyonce Independent Woman song. Yeah. But to all women who celebrate, I wish you guys have a great day today, filled with flowers, love, joy.
And a lot of food.
A lot of food, and may all close ones who you love are surrounding you all the time. All right.
Let's get started. Without further ado, Cushy, let's do this thing.
All right, your fork is there.
Yeah.
And for the drink to complement samsa, we have
English tea.
English tea.
Now, I don't know if this is English accent or not, so I won't dig further into that, but I'll just say it's English tea with a little cream.
Let's try it.
And it's great. Cheers.
This is delicious, guys. First carrot for you.
This tea is absolutely smashing. It really is good, though. I'm not gonna lie.
And the milk is a cashew milk.
Это молоко. Вкусно.
And look how tender the chicken turns out, guys. It just falls off the bone.
And we have veggies too.
For mama.
Yeah, for mom. Look, mom, we have veggies and tomatoes. This is actually a
chicken.
Fruit.
Oh yeah, this is I'm not in
I'm gonna work my way from left to right.
Guys, chicken, delicious.
This is a Women's Day assist. Help your woman chew her food today, men. Help her eat her tomatoes. Very good. Eat your tomatoes. Good Women's Day.
Babe, try this stew. Oi.
Alright, so I'm going to approach this at an angle.
Yeah. And there's spicy for you if you want.
Alright.
Chili oil.
So, in order for me to describe the taste of this, I would have to reach behind me and grab my thesaurus to pull out some new words to use. But for now, for the sake of complicated nonsense, I'll just say it's great. It's really, really wonderful. Also, the presentation always helps accent taste, like that mental thing. So
we also eat it with fresh bread, but we tried not to eat a lot of bread, so. Alright, let's try some sauce.
This is bread. Want to split it?
No. Sorry. Oh.
Oh, come on, eat it. Stop being picky.
I know. That's natural, guys, but it happens. Samsa.
That's what you get from cooking real samsa, especially when you cook them on an open fire, like outside at the market.
Thunder. And that's what's inside. Chicken and onion. I hand cut chicken thighs myself. It's good, huh?
Right.
And chase it with tea.
Be careful with these guys because they will fill you up quick. So, if you want to finish your meal, eat them alongside your meal in moderation, just chew on a few at a time.
Back home, they serve it as appetizer.
This one's really thick.
Everything is so delicious.
I get bonus points. I'm eating with my opposing hand. This is my weak side right here.
It's been great.
I'm doing all right.
Well, I hope today all women of the world celebrating. We cook this nice, delicious meal to celebrate.
So what?
Omida went to eat some noodles.
So what commemorating? Facts do we have about women today?
Yeah.
No, like
Because without us, there
I
wouldn't
don't have a
be.
list.
Ew.
Gonna be what?
There wouldn't be men without women.
It's up for discussion for the people out there. Many views on that one, but I would say for the sake of simplicity, women provide the babies. The babies come from the women. Now, if you leave it up to the minds of the people of 2023, they might feel different. But no, I'm just joking about that. But yeah, thank you, women, for the babies. Thank you, women, for your wisdom and getting out here and being strong and
Always.
doing amazing things,
Women power.
Yeah, so
Who runs the world? Girls.
have a homework assignment for some of you who can tell me the first female aviator in history for your country, if you want to do it that way, because we always do it from an American-based standpoint. But who do you know recognize as the first female aviator in history? Do you have any women history facts or women history references?
I know the first woman who went to space was from Soviet Union.
What was her name? Do you remember?
Valentina.
That can be another homework assignment. We'll do it on the facts, and I'll try to combine some kind of food thing in it, not to confuse the algorithm. Oops. I think the algorithm is a woman.
Yeah. Unpredictable.
I think she's a woman. Gotta be.
Oh my. It's complex.
Like, well,
Unpredictable.
just when you think you got it. What the hell? What was that? You gotta figure it out all over again. So, happy Women's Day, algorithm. Here's to you.
Guys, this is yummy.
No, actually, everybody should be telling their mothers Happy Women's Day today. So thank you, mothers, for carrying us for 9 months at a time, or even more or less, and just taking care of us. For those of us who have mothers, be grateful.
This is so good, guys. Let me know if you want a recipe. I'll only provide it if you want it, and if you let me know.
And if you tell her Happy Women's Day, I'm gonna keep emphasizing on that. That's a good staple for the day. How many crunch points can you get today?
Oh, this is so good. So good.
Alright, I'm gonna pull it back now because it's about to drip on the table. Look, you see it? You see it? I predicted the future. I think with enough time and hard work, I can make a time machine.
I'm gonna have another Samsa. Girl is hungry because it's Women's Day. This one is without sesame seeds because it's a second
Who run
batch.
this mother, Akka? Who run this mother? Who run the world?
Oh.
Who run the world? Ghouls. Who run the ghouls? Ghouls are girls.
Girls.
Who run this mother, Akka?
Girls.
Who's that? Beyonce or Destiny's Child?
Beyonce. Guys, Beyonce announced her tour. Are you guys going? A lot of people in Kyrgyzstan are going. This is so good, guys. Nice, huh?
I've been full pretty fast tonight.
You are. You didn't even eat your... Did you eat something before?
I had a burrito.
Burrito?
For lunch.
For lunch?
And I had the Chinese food for breakfast. And normally I don't eat too much for breakfast.
You didn't take rice to work, right?
I didn't have any space in the lunchbox, to be honest with you.
Oh.
Yeah.
It must have been yucky to eat without rice.
No, it was good. It was sustenance. It was like fuel.
We had Chinese yesterday, guys. Check it out.
Yeah, they'll see it tonight. I'm gonna post. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Between 4 and 5 a.m. we'll post. But there's gonna be a video we have to post tonight due to an administrative error. I have to fire some of my admin team because they made the date for tonight. It was supposed to be tomorrow. So you'll get another video before 12 a.m. So it's a little Easter egg for today. And if you watch the shorts, you know what it is. So if you want to know what it is, watch the shorts and you'll see. I'm not telling you. Go. Take some initiative. So, give me a second, I'm gonna finish this. And wrap it up. Yeah, food in my mouth.
Well, guys, I ate a lot. I think I'll continue eating, but we're gonna let you go. Thank you for joining us today. Once again, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Stay with us. Thank you for your support if you're returning back. We see a lot of new subscribers. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's grow this food channel together. And let us know in the comments. You can shoot us an email if you want us to eat anything in particular, or if you want some recipes. I cook a lot. You saw it. So, and I'm not starting to cook.
Yeah.
He cooked fish before, So yeah, once again, happy International Women's Day, and we'll see you in the next video.
What was the air fryer's name again? What was the air fryer's name again?
Cinderella Pete.
Yeah, cooked through Cinderella Pete. So, anyways, thanks for sticking it out and checking us out today. Happy Women's Day again. Go celebrate and eat some good food. And until next time, until tomorrow, or until tonight, deuces and happy Food Heroes Day. This is Cushy, I'm Ahmad, and we are
the Food Hero.